Swagbucks disqualifies users from surveys, mostly because the advertiser stops matching based on inconsistent answers, rushed screening responses, or a profile that doesn't fit current survey demand. It is not random, and it is usually not a permanent account issue. By the end of this, you'll know why Swagbucks keeps disqualifying you mid-survey, and the exact fixes that reduce disqualifications so you can actually complete more surveys. First issue is inconsistent survey answers. Every survey starts with screening questions, and advertisers compare your answers to past responses. If your age, job status, household size, or spending habits change between surveys, the system flags you as unreliable and disqualifies you faster. The fix is to keep answers consistent across all surveys and avoid rushing through screening questions just to get in. Second issue is profile mismatch. Swagbucks uses your profile to decide which surveys to send you in the first place. If your profile is incomplete or outdated, you'll get surveys that don't fit you, which leads to instant disqualification. Go into your Swagbucks profile and fully complete every section. Make sure income range, employment status, and interests are accurate and not left on default or vague selections. Third issue is device and browser tracking problems. Survey providers use tracking scripts to verify eligibility. If you have ad blockers, strict privacy settings, or disabled cookies, those scripts can't validate your session. That causes mid-survey disqualification, even if your answers are correct. Turn off ad blockers, allow third-party cookies, and avoid private browsing mode when doing surveys. Another factor is overqualification attempts. If you click into too many surveys too quickly and fail multiple screenings in a row, the system starts limiting your access. It assumes low-quality responses and reduces your matching priority. The practical fix is to slow down and only attempt surveys that clearly match your profile. There is also normal survey rotation. Some surveys simply close while you are taking them because the required quota is already filled. In that case, disqualification is not about you at all. Refreshing and trying again later usually shows new available surveys. To bring it together, most Swagbucks disqualifications come from inconsistent answers, incomplete profiles, block tracking scripts, or normal survey quota limits. Fixing your profile accuracy and browser setup solves the majority of cases without needing support. The next step is simple. Update your profile fully. Turn off any blockers, and take surveys more carefully, instead of rushing screening questions so the system stops filtering you out. Subscribe for more fixes that focus on what actually triggers survey disqualifications, instead of random trial and error.